Does your Allen Bradley 8520 EMOP7 stop displaying, distort images or flickers a lot? Don't worry, we got you covered with our simplest retrofit of the CRT. Introducing Monitech's ML080LL8520MS. It is a LCD retrofit for AB8520 EMOP7. ML080LL8520MS is an 8 inches LCD monitor which comes with video cable compatible with AB8520 EMOP7 machine, power adapter and power cable. All you need to do is swap the CRT from the machine with our LCD monitor upgrade kit. Step 1. Removing existing CRT from machine. 1. Unplug the video cable. 2. Unplug the ground wire. 3. Unscrew the external ground wire. 4. Unplug the 12 volts power cable. 5. Unscrew bolts from the side of the machine, 2 on each side. 6. Slide the inner panel which contains CRT and circuit out. 7. Unscrew 4 bolts from the CRT panel. 8. Remove CRT from the metal housing. Step 2. Installing Monitech's LCD upgrade kit. 1. Take out your LCD kit ML080LL8520MS and MK068. 2. Attach brackets MM080BR00 to the monitor. Use the center tapped hole for the brackets. Keep the brackets facing screen of the monitor. 3. Attach the monitor to the CRT with the same bolts that used to attach CRT. Flush the brackets and CRT housing and cut excess bracket metal if needed. Attach the monitor outer side of the CRT housing. The CRT housing should look like this. Adjust and keep LCD as straight as possible. At this point of time, if you try to slide the CRT panel back in the machine, you'll find a gap between monitor and front bezel of the machine. To prevent this gap, we will apply foam strip on the monitor as shown in the picture. 4. Before sliding the panel back into the machine, attach the MAP 8520MS to the power connector. To do so, cut the power cable right at connector. Strip both the red and black wires and crimp them to MAP8520MS respectively with red and black wires. Slide the heat shrink on top but splicer and secure it by heat gun. Sneak the MAP cable inside the panel. 5. Slide the CRT panel back in the machine and attach power and video cables. Fasten 4 bolts back on both sides. Attach the MAP 8520MS and MAV 576 to the monitor. Attach other end of the MAV 576 to the machine. Power up the machine and test the video output. Use the user control buttons to adjust your picture if required. And that is how you swap your CRT monitor to our LCD monitor. To learn more, contact us today.